So hi friends, I came with some of the important opportunity that is from various companies like the eBay and other hiring. So if you are the freshers looking for some important internship and job opportunity, then this video is for you. So the first important opportunity that is from the eBay. They are hiring for the role of consulting support service intern, and a job location will be Kochi, Kerala. So if you want, you can apply for that. This is a wonderful opportunity. So the only requirement is you should be having some knowledge of SDLC, software development lifecycle, SQL, and if you have done some internship, then this will be added advantage. So BTech, computer science, circuit advantage, or can apply. The minimum requirement is you should be having 60% and above. So don't miss this and apply. Because friend, no one know from where you will be getting the hiring. Okay, recently I posted update related to the important company like Cisco, and they said that we didn't get that students are getting reward for the apprentice program. So if you are not applying, then you might miss the important job. Next important thing that is from the Wipro. So they are hiring for the role of developer, and job location will be Hyderabad, Telangana. So these are the requirements and other things are there. So if you want, you can apply for that. For 2025, for sure you can apply. 26 can wait for some other. Next important that is from the hypersonic. They are hiring for the role of junior data analyst, and this is the entry level, means freshers can apply for that. Just you have to upload the resume and have to fill the detail. The requirement is you should be having knowledge of SQL, AIML, Pythons, and other requirements are there. So just complete, means just go through complete job in the description, you will get clarity and apply according to, means with your updated resume. Okay, moving to next, that is for the locations of Jaipur, Rajasthan, and freshers are eligible. So BCom, BA, BBA, or any technical backgrounds can apply for this role. The knowledge of MS Excel and other requirements are there, so you can directly share your resume to this mail ID. Moving to next, that is hiring alert, DIEA, that is design and measurement of INP based kind of things from IIT Delhi. So if you want, you can apply for that. Just go to the complete link in the description and you have to go through it. You will be getting the good amount. Okay, so if you want, you can apply. Moving to next, that is for 2025 graduate, BTech, CS, IT, MCA, minimum 70% are required. So if you have knowledge of .NET, Java, Python, SQL, or anything, then you can apply for that. There will be 3 rounds of interview, face to face in Bangalore, technical test and technical interview and HR interview. So if you are interested, you can apply for that. You can directly share your CV to them, and this is a wonderful opportunity. Moving to next, that is from the Flock Energy. So this is a summer internship program, and there might be getting chance of PPO. So today is last date, so don't miss and apply as soon as possible. The 3rd and 4th year engineering students from MBA students can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Moving to next important opportunity, and that is from the FedEx. They are hiring for the role of full stack developer 1, and this is also a full-time role and wonderful opportunity. My friends, from this I am regularly saying that since these are off-campus drives, so many students are applying, so you might not getting reward, but still I suggest keep applying. You don't know from where you will get reward, and apply with updated resume. Okay, so this job opportunity, you can see clearly that the requirements is bachelor degree CS electrical electronics are requirements, and the other things, just go through it. You should be fluent in communication skills and attention to real Microsoft skills, and other requirements, just basic requirements are there, so you can apply for this. Next opportunity from the Gartner. They are hiring for the role of data analyst, and the job location will be Gurgaon. So this is also a good opportunity, and I suggest everyone should apply for that. So you should be graduation in engineering, maths, or statistical with some knowledge in basically business analytics. So if you have knowledge, especially 2024 2025 can apply for that. So SQL requirement is must, and PowerPoint are the last important. Before moving to last important opportunity, friend, please subscribe us. We regularly post many job updates, and soon Cognizant 2026 off campus hiring will be announced. So for that, you can just subscribe us so that you will not miss any update. Okay, currently many hiring is going on, and from Tech Mahindra and other hiring. So if you haven't applied for these, it must apply for that all job. Last importantly from AKS Tech, they are hiring for the role of data analytics. So if you are interested in data analytics, then you can apply for that. The only requirement is to having good communication skill, analytical mindsets, and other things are there. So job location will be Bangalore, and you will be getting a lot of perks and benefits. So if you want, you can apply for this. Hope informative to you. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask here. I am always here to help you. We can connect on LinkedIn, Insta, or anywhere. You can ask your query. I will try to reply as soon as possible. So मिलते हैं next important job updates में. Thank you.